take you through fans. I just received a brand new iPhone 13 mini. A person just asked me to back up her iPhone 12 mini and restore it to this new one. So I thought, why not make an unboxing video for you guys? I know that there has been a zillion iPhone 13 unboxings already, and very soon Apple will release the iPhone 14 series, but just wanted to show you this white or cream color iPhone 13 mini. This is the iPhone 12 mini that she's upgrading from. The main thing I can tell is if you hold it in your hands, it really feels very comfortable, though many people don't prefer the mini size. Actually, very opposite from what we thought people would want. The sales for the mini series is very low, and that's why they are probably not bringing back this small size format iPhone anymore. So the 12 and 13 minis, maybe they are the last ones from their generation. Just wanted to tell you that this iPhone feels in the hand like the original iPhone SE, that is the iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S chassis, is really comfortable if you want to use it in one hand. So this beautiful red iPhone 12 will be upgraded to this cream white color iPhone 13 mini. And she gave me this, I think it's silicone case, the red one. So at the end of the unboxing we will unbox this case and put it on the white iPhone 13 mini and see how they match up. This is the box, nothing special there. There are two pull tabs, and the reason why she's upgrading is basically the storage is full. iPhone 12 mini had 64 gigabytes base model, but these new iPhone 13 minis start with 128 gigabytes. So that's a huge upgrade for the same money. Unboxing is that easy as pulling this green arrow. Here it is. It should have been a second one. I don't know, maybe it's already opened here. So it's iPhone 13 mini. And we can open up the box. And here it is. You can see that inside the box is the hole for the camera. And then there is this shiny brand new iPhone 13 mini. You can see the color is not snow white, it's actually a little bit darker tone. Here it is. The cameras are bigger. There is a wide standard camera, and the other one is ultra wide, not the zoom. The sides are aluminum. Volume mute switch, volume buttons plus minus, and this is how it looks. And here are they side by side, the iPhone 12 mini in the red. So basically a little bit smaller camera lenses, and the camera lens placing is diagonal for the 13 mini and vertical for the 12 mini. So basically they look the same, just the product red branding here. And in the box we can see, you already know, there is no charging brick. There is only the Lightning to USB Type-C connector, as well as some paperwork. Here is the SIM opening tool and one Apple sticker instead of two. And here we just click on the power button. As you can see, there are fingerprints all over the screen already. Now it turns on and we are greeted with the hello screen in different languages. And now we have to just set up this iPhone. And the last thing that we need to do is put on this red case so it looks almost like the 12 mini in product red. So here you can see it's really light red. And let's put it on to the iPhone 13 mini. We usually start with the volume buttons first for each case, and then the other sides here. This case is actually really precise when it comes to the microphone and volume holes here, and you can easily reach the mute switch here. The buttons are nice and clicky, everything is working very well. This is the back of the phone. I think the white blends very well together with the red silicone case. So that is how the iPhone 13 mini looks with a third-party silicone light red case. So that's that. I hope you guys like this video, and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.